Yeah. What's something that, say, AS3740 says very clearly, but the industry keeps ignoring?
That water stops are mandatory. So mandatory for AS3740 always has been, and people don't understand the intent behind what a water stop is designed to do, and it's to stop subsurface moisture traveling from under the tiles, for example, within the tile adhesive, and then growing and migrating out the wet area. The
Yeah.
standard's not designed to stop uh, water damage caused by overflow, and the water stops aren't designed to do that either. They are vertical separation built within the overlay finish so that it creates vertical separation from subsurface water, not the water on top.